Did you know you're special?
You are special.
Because I'm good enough, I'm smart enough, and doggone it.
For the love of God, stop it.
Mom!
Attention! Stand at ease.
Hello and welcome back to Booth Camp. I am your instructor, Andrew Scott, and today I'm going to scold people. Wag of the finger. So, something that's been coming up quite a lot in a number of threads that I follow on the old interwebs about voiceover, and that is a common frustration that people experience when things aren't happening fast enough for them. And generally, it's beginning talent who are trying to get established and just are kind of wondering why things aren't going as fast as they want them to. And recently, in a couple of the discussion threads that I've been in, it was people saying, why aren't I getting any traction? I'm on all the social media platforms and I'm just not getting noticed. I'm just not getting jobs. I'm just not getting attention. And my answer is this. Why do you expect that to work? Why do you expect merely having a presence is going to bring business to you? Here's the simple truth. That doesn't work. I've had presence on all the major social media platforms for the entire time that I've been doing voice work. It has brought me exactly 0 jobs. None. Nada. Why do you expect that having a website is going to bring you business? Again, my website accounts for virtually none of my business. My social media accounts for virtually none of my business. My presence on the interwebs, barring a few exceptions, accounts for virtually none of my business. What accounts for my business? One simple answer. Hustle. Simply because you have a good demo, a bunch of social media presence, and even an agent, none of those things are going to make people beat a path to your door. What does get you business, especially when you're starting, is hustle. If you're not doing auditions every single day, you are the one that's not doing the work. Nobody else. You. Why do you, as a new talent, think that business is going to come find you when it hasn't found any of the working professionals in this industry much? Yeah, there are always exceptions, okay? But here's the hard truth. You're not that exception. And I get really tired when I see new talent, especially talent, that has what it takes, when they're just sitting there waiting for business to come to them. It doesn't work that way in this industry. I mean, it'd do you as much good to go out and spend $5,000 on 2 months worth of a giant billboard up against the freeway. Nobody's going to get on their cell phone in the middle of driving down the road and call you asking for a voiceover. You need to do what the rest of us in this industry, this particular industry, home voice work, you need to be willing to do what we've all done. Multiple auditions a day, joining communities online that put up calls for talent, getting on some of the pay-to-play boards and doing your best there. And we'll have another discussion about pay-to-play in the future, but for right now, gig work is where you are trying to be. If you, as a new talent with absolutely nothing behind your name other than a good demo, think that the world should just beat a path to your door, that's not really going to work. And the only person that it's going to frustrate is you. Be willing to do the work. Yeah, you might have a great voice. I know lots of talent who have absolutely great voices and solid reads, and they're not getting anything because they're not putting in the work. Home voiceover. That means you at home. Your agent's not here. There's not a bunch of people walking around outside looking for voice talent. It's you in your space doing the work that it takes to get the job. Very simple. It's a lot of hard work. Don't get me wrong. Is it the same work as, digging a ditch? No, it's not. But it takes time, dedication, a constant refinement of skills, and learning the industry in a way that allows you to exploit every opportunity that comes in front of you. And that opportunity is often just an audition. Even if you don't get the gig, doing the audition, making the edits, making it sound industry standard. Those are all skills that pay you back, and you need to be practicing them. And sometimes the practice is just auditioning for something that you don't get. You still earn something in that equation. It's more skill. And there is no such thing in the home voiceover industry as too much skill. But stop thinking that you're special. You're not special in this world yet. You can make yourself be special and stand out more and get contacts coming to you by proving that you have what it takes to get the job done. But you gotta do the thing. Go on, go do the thing. Get in your box, grab that microphone, come up with some copy, make yourself a demo, do a bunch of auditions in one day. Just sit there hammering them out. That's what's going to get you work. Not social media, not a website, not even an agent. You're not there yet. The way to get there is by doing the work. And I know that you can do the work. Do us a favor, hit like, click, and subscribe down there. Also, join us on our Discord server, the link's down below. But until next time, this is Andrew Scott. You've been at Booth Camp. Take care, everybody.
You're dismissed.